welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. Today, we're diving into the SMMA, or Smooth Moving Average, a powerful indicator for spotting trends in the market. Explain why it's important. If you've been looking for a way to make better trading decisions with less noise, this video is for you. This video is divided in 3 parts. Number 1. What is SMMA? Number 2. How to use SMMA in trading. Number 3. My trading strategy with SMMA. Number 1. What is SMMA? The Smooth Moving Average is a technical analysis tool that calculates an average of price data over a specific period, giving more weight to recent prices but retaining data from older periods. Explain its key feature. Unlike simple or exponential moving averages, the SMMA creates a smoother curve, making it easier to identify the overall trend. Number 2. How to use SMMA in trading. When the price is above the SMMA, it indicates an uptrend. When the price is below the SMMA, it signals a downtrend. Support and resistance. SMMA can act as dynamic support or resistance levels, where the price often rebounds. Crossover strategy. Combine SMMA with another moving average. Look for crossovers. When the SMMA crosses above another moving average, it's a buy signal. When it crosses below, it's a sell signal. Divergences. Compare SMMA behavior with price action to spot potential reversals. Number 3. My strategy with SMMA. My strategy with SMMA. SMMA crossover strategy. Buy when the fast SMMA crosses above the slow SMMA, and sell when the fast SMMA crosses below the slow SMMA. SMMA trend following strategy. Buy when the SMMA indicator is above the price, and sell when the SMMA indicator is below the price. The benefits of SMMA. The SMMA is a versatile tool that helps traders make informed decisions by smoothing out price fluctuations. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and enjoy the session. trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.